Welcome back to Max Easy Lessons. It's one more on English lessons and grammar. This one is the continuation of the phrasal verbs, but it's with how to use angry about, angry at, and angry with. Thank you for stopping in. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what is here, and if you are returning to the channel, thank you again for stopping in. Now, phrasal verbs. It's a whole list of phrasal verbs, and I'll try to go through as many of these as I can over time. Phrasal verbs describe an action phrase, and these are performed using a preposition, a verb, or an adverb. Some phrasal verbs are literal in meaning, while others are idiomatic connotations. The first up on this video is angry about. We use angry about when we talk about a specific topic or a situation. For example, I am so angry about the negative treatment people receive in the media. We should do something about it. Another example is they got angry about the steps that were taken by the media. A third example is Mary and Jack are so angry about the things that happened in their home. And a fourth example is Paul was so angry about the lies that she told. Next up is angry with. We use angry with when it relates to a person. For example, Jim is so angry with his best friend because she lied to him. I am so angry with my sister for wearing my favorite shirt. Don't be so angry with him. He didn't know the facts. And finally, he had been so angry with her that he couldn't forgive her for such a long period of time. And finally, we'll talk about angry at. We also use angry at to communicate anger towards a person and to depict an irritation that we may feel towards a non-living thing. For example, I'm so angry at you for not telling me the truth. He got so angry at his phone simply because the battery stopped charging. And finally, when her car stalled, she became so angry at the strange new buttons on the dashboard. Now these are just some, and as time goes by, I will continue to do more videos with phrasal verbs, as many as I can, because the list is exhaustive. So, thank you for stopping by. Look out for new videos on phrasal verbs.